There are lots of people going there, especially trekking. I want to know what's there. Never been in that corner because there's no road there. So Vanilda gonna stay here for now. I'm gonna take Bina instead and take a look. And so today I'm back to be a tourist. I'm gonna try to discover this corner that is kind of a natural park. There's no road in it and lots of people walking here, so I decided to come and take a look. It's amazing how the wind changed in 20 seconds. 20 seconds that way it's very calm. Here is very strong. The wind and the sea. See the difference? It is cool here. It's a nice place just to come and chill and relax, like there's a lady doing there. So quiet here. Whoa. Those steps are very big, they have like 40 centimeters each. Well, the problem is that now I need to go all the way up again. A few weeks ago I've been there. So today I'm covering this small part between Marsa Scala and that place behind me right now, where I've been a few weeks ago. That means that after today, whole this corner of Malta will be covered. Well, it's not a very big place, but it was nice. Always like to go to places like this. Be in the middle of the nature and breathe some nice air. In Malta the air is cool. But I enjoy it, this little ride. And this is of course a little bit of sport as well. That's always good. I don't really know where I'm going now, need to find out. And then just realize that today is Sunday. That's why there's so many people here. There's something that I easily forget, which day we are. place there called St. Peter's Pool. Must be a beach or something like that. So I'm gonna take Bina again. I'm gonna take a look again. That's what I do. Go everywhere, take a look. Actually, in the map, what looks sand is these rocks. But it still is a beach, and it still is very beautiful. It's very unique. It's very different from what we see in other countries. It's really cool. Oh, it's full of people there. And here is what they call St. Peter's Pool. But I'm on the wrong side. I should be behind me, where I just filmed. I think I'm going there. Take a better look. You see, it's Sunday for sure. That town over there was completely full of people. Kind of chaotic. Now I saw this road I thought would lead me to that castle, but looks like it doesn't. Oh, maybe this way. There's nothing here to see, maybe. Just a castle is not touristic, I think. I think they use it to work. Some government thing. There's a way out here. Yeah, actually now I don't... Fuck. Actually now I don't really know where to go. So as I told you on yesterday's vlog, sometimes you can't resist and you need to spend money with things that you don't need to, but it's just the way it is. Yes, Sunday. Had a really nice day today. Quiet, even if I didn't realize that it was Sunday, and the place where I went was a little bit crowded. But was okay. It was very sunny, even if now it's cloudy by the end of the afternoon. The whole day, since I woke up in the morning, it was very sunny, very warm, and something that I like to do, to go to these places, be in the middle of the nature, you know. And with this, we arrived to the end of today's vlog. I hope you liked it. The first after these last 5 videos about Vanilda and my van life. 5 or 6 videos. So from today, the vlog starts to be like the regular vlog again. and I hope you like it. If you liked it, don't forget to put your thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and have the most beautiful evening. Goodbye.